Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today is the 8th day of Ramadan. We are in Hatay, Antakya. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says in one of his hadith that whoever makes a Muslim happy after me will make me happy in my grave. The one who makes me happy in my grave, Allah will make them happy on the Day of Judgment. We, Sulaymaniya Aid, have prepared the food packages and iftars for you, are conducive for the happiness of those who have been affected by the earthquakes. As Sulaymaniya Aid, we would like to thank you on behalf of everyone here who have received your donations. May Allah accept your donations.